In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7232, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that people will be resurrected on Judgment Day in the same state they died on earth. This means that if a person dies on good, they will be resurrected on good. But if they die on evil, they will be raised in an evil way. A Muslim should not live in heedlessness by believing that as they have faith in Islam, it guarantees they will die and therefore be raised in a good state on Judgment Day. If they persist on the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, and then die in this state without sincerely repenting, then they will be raised in an evil way. It does not take a scholar to determine what will happen to this person on Judgment Day. From this narration, one can understand that the way they will die will be in the same state they have lived. Meaning, if they lived in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by sincerely fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, then they will die in a good state, and therefore be raised in a good state, which includes being raised with the righteous, as they practically followed in their footsteps. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3688. A Muslim should therefore not walk the path to hell by disobeying Allah, the Exalted, which involves misusing the blessings they were granted by Him, and believe that they will somehow be resurrected in a good state, thereby joining the pious in paradise. Chapter 20 Taha, verses 124 to 126.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind. He will say, My Lord, why have you raised me blind while I was once seeing? Allah will say, Thus did our signs come to you, and you forgot, i.e. disregarded them, and thus will you this day be forgotten.